What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to creating a subagent to do or perform a task. Here, I am using the Claude, and I have a whole bunch of files that I want to read and want to know actually what they contain. For example, this one. This is one of my projects, and it has multiple things. And what I want to do first, I go back to the Claude, ask the Claude, hey, let me just pull up the voice command. Hey Claude, can you please make two subagents to read the Vexley files of all the MD files and give me the information, one technical perspective, one the idea of it, how do you think, and what kind of a knowledge does it contain? Make two subagents and perform these tasks. Let me know. So now by just pressing it on, what it will do, it will start going towards it. Will create two agents. I will spawn two agents over the world, one reading it technically, one reading it as ideas and knowledge. So now it has made two agents and they're now working on it. So this is very simple and easy thing to do. For example, you guys can see that background agent allowed by auto mode classifier, and it's not now working on it. Second agent is technical analysis of X level, conceptual analysis of X level. So this is how it is, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.